Thutha wa spika wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula muthenya wa ira kurumirira itua ria igoti inene ria kuhitukia kuhagurwo gwa SABINA CHEGE ta munini wa muhiuria wa mucarica wa aria anini bunge-ini, mwena wa kiama kia JUBILEE UGITONGORIO ni Jeremia KIONI ni wiyukitie itua riri ta mweke wa kunyorokia utongoria wa kiama giki. Mubunge wa EMBAKASI West MWENJE uria riu woete ithenya ria SABINA akihokerwa kibarua gia kweheria ambunge a kiama kia JUBILEE aria matiganiirie ngwataniro ya Azimio kumba kamiti-ini cia bunge.
Na umetumwa na chama, you would whip all those people from the committees. Wanasema wanataka kufanya na Kenya Kwanza, waende wakapewe viti na nani? Kenya Kwanza.
Munini wa MWEKARIRI giti kiama-ini giki David MURATHE oho ni ugite wona mamukira mwerekera kumba kuri igoti, umwe wa maria mekwamba gutangikira ni kuhagura SABINA CHEGE ta mubunge wa guthukio hamwe na mubunge wa Iala Kanini Kega uria ningi ukuruhanitio na ndama ya kuruta ciringi milioni 90 cia kiama atari na rutha, cira uria MURATHE augite mekuhanda igoti-ini.
Hata Kanini hiyo Iala alitumwa na JUBILEE. You had to come from the party to go to be voted for by the, and you go to represent the interests of your coalition side. So you cannot be whipping for JUBILEE when you are with Kenya Kwanza. Those people went and stole 90 million shillings from the JUBILEE account. So they cleverly use online. Kwa sababu online hakuna mtu anaona. Mnajua hiyo? That is how they stole our money. And that case is coming up. Immediately we have the full statement from Equity Bank.
Amwe ya aria merega kwa murwo ituro-ini itiganite thirikari-ini ni atongoria a kiama kia JUBILEE ari ni hamwe na MUIKARIRI giti Nelson Zuya na Naomi Shaban. MURATHE na KIONI makiuga oguthie na mbere kunyitirira iturwa kiama-ini kia JUBILEE ni mugaru na watho, makianirira mibango ya gucagura atongoria eru kamiti-ini ya gutwithania ndũgamano na oho bodi-ini ya ithurano kiama-ini kia JUBILEE.
I am the acting chairman of this party. Because chairman amepewa kazi na Ruto, na kwa dinti ya kupewa hiyo kazi amesisi kuwa official ya nini? Ya chama. Na mnafikiria Ruto ni mjinga? Akiwapatia kazi si alijua hiyo sheria? Hawa anawamaliza.
7 members of NEC have been appointed to various positions by the government. Parties Act Section 12, the Constitution Section 77, all of them require you to vacate political party positions immediately you have been appointed to a public service body.
Spika wa bunge Moses Wetangula ni areyeheranirie na ndũgamano iria ikoretwo kiama-ini kia JUBILEE na ngwataniro ya Azimio, no KIONI ni okirire Wetangula ni kuremwo ni kuoya murugamo eta spika atekwenderera mwena umwe.
Speaker has no room to go and play maneno ya mrija kule kama mtu anakunywa busa. It is terrible that he did that to us.
Ona gutwika MWENJE ni arakindirirwo ta muhiuria wa mucarica, ambunge 21 kuma mwena wa JUBILEE nio meyeheranitie na ngwataniro ya Azimio, kihingica kia wagiriru wake gigatiba ta muhiuria wa mucarica gigitanywo kwiyumba kuona we ndari na amemba aiganu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa CHEGE.